कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन की कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone who has joined us today for our Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. Franchise India is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company, which was established in 1999 to help all the investors in getting the business solutions from our side. Franchise India is an investor-centric company. Hence, we truly claim that no one sells more business than us, because day in, day out, we are helping each one of you to get the business consulting suggestions from our side. With this introduction, we invite each one of you to this particular webinar. This particular webinar is hosted by management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. And today the brand which we are representing for each one of you is Nature's Trunk, the brand which is known for its retail opportunity, which you can start with only 3.6 lakh rupees. But before that, 13.6 lakh rupees, I'm so sorry. But before that, we invite the representative to talk about the brand. I would like to invite Gaurav sir to talk about the great initiative which we have taken for our investors under Advantage program. Thank you so much, Gaurav sir, for joining in. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Archana, and thank you for hosting another webinar. This is in continuity with our regular 12 o'clock webinar, which we started in the last lockdown when it started. And today we have done over 365 days, continuously bringing every single day a webinar for you, a different opportunity for you. A lot of people have benefited in this last 13 odd months. We have really helped about 940 odd investors who have chosen the right business, and this would be choosing a master franchise, area franchise, or a unit franchise. This is also very important times where it has to be, the decision you take of buying a business has to be taken carefully. You need a proper advice, and that's why we started a program called Advantage. This program was started on 1st of December because we are overwhelmed by the response, and especially in these times when people are sitting at home, almost everybody joins in for our webinars, so the response numbers go really off the roof. You know, we are today getting over 5,000 odd leads coming to us for people interested in different brands and different opportunities. While we have a large team, but it's difficult to address every single lead, and every single need needs attention. So we started 2 different programs. One is Advantage. Advantage is a membership program where you become a member with Franchise India, and one of our senior consultants would work with you over the next 6 months to help you choose the right kind of a business. And that is a very methodical approach where we will take you through different stages of business buying. not only working with you to choose the right industry or right brand, but also then work with you on the legal and the contractual documents, and also work with you on the deal structuring and negotiation. That's very, very important. For a particular month of May, we also started a business consultations. Business consultations was that people were not clear what they wanted to do. So we invited them free of cost for coming and doing a business consultation with any of our senior members, including me and Sonia. And this consultation is 30-minute minimum. It can go to 30 minutes and 45 minutes, where we talk about you, your financial goals, what are you looking to achieve in a business, what do you experience you come from, and the location you want to really start. And then our consultants really go into detail with you to help you to understand what it takes to start a business, kind of funding required, the kind of resources required, and then narrow down what is the right opportunity for you. So if you not book yourself, we have already done over 250 consultations in last 12 odd days since we've started. If you not book yourself for a consultation, I would encourage you to do that, and on your convenient time. जो भी आपके लिए convenient time होगा, हम उस time आपके साथ 30 minutes spend करेंगे. And normally I would advise that if you have any partner to work with you, so bring your partner also along. If you have anybody else in your family, bring them also along. So get this and that thing right. Set your questions right. We also set the expectation on both sides right before you make a decision to do that. If you've not done that, I will encourage you to book your slot today. Go on 971-76-838-38. That's a number you should note, and WhatsApp it or just call. We will make sure that somebody reaches out to you in 4 hours time frame and book your slot for a business consultation. And I know a lot of people have already benefited from this, because it's very important. Sometimes you just have a limited information on few brands. Another thing which I will encourage is a lot of people come to these webinars because they see the ads in social media, but they don't come regularly to webinars because they don't get regular links from us. So if you have not enrolled yourself in our broadcast list, send in the same number, 971-76-838-38, your number, and save that on your phone. So somebody would send you every single day a new webinar, because we do multiple webinars. Today we have this webinar happening at 12 o'clock, and then we have a 7 o'clock, which is a city-based webinar where we bring in multiple opportunities. And there are many more opportunities of different webinars really coming in. We're also starting a new initiative for franchise startups, people who are thinking of building their own franchise brands. So there is a webinar which is happening today at 5 o'clock, which is helping people to understand how you should really build sustainable franchise model. There is another series which is starting called Friend Start. This is a series which is on helping franchise startups, or if you have a startup idea which you want to really see and you need some kind of mentoring, some kind of understanding how do you scale your startup, and even if you want to raise capital to take that on, I think that also I will encourage you to should be part of that. So now I see Sonia on the panel. So Sonia, over to you for your comments, and then we can have Archana opening the show.
Guys, a very good afternoon to all of you, and we welcome you once again to the webinar series, Business Opportunity Over Chai, and talking again on the Investor Advantage program. I would say this is an initiative that we have taken at Franchise India, because we empathize and we understand buying a business is the most challenging, important and one-time decision of a lifetime. And every opportunity brand that you would see through our platform or otherwise on a website and various other mediums that you reach out to, all these opportunities and brands are good in their own right. And what you need to do is you need to find your own fitment of what is appropriate for you, and evaluate an opportunity which you are able to assess your own self, able to assess industry, market, competition, and brand, including the market that you want to open. That's very important that you do a complete market assessment. And all these assessments, our teams at Franchise India, including our independent franchise consultants, work with each one of you to help you evaluate. And we have a current presence in more than 85 cities that we'll work directly with. So with this, I'd like to give back to Archana to have our brand of the day invited.
So thank you so much, Gaurav sir. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for opening the show. With this, we invite Mr. Amir Ali, who will representing Nature's Tongue. Thank you so much, Amir. आज हमें join करने के लिए. We understand you are facing some problem, but still you got time to join this for this particular webinar. We also welcome Mr. Anshul, will be talking about the brand. Thank you so much, Amir. I'll just share the screen for you.
Okay.
Over to you, Amir.
Okay. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So I am representing in behalf of my company, Nature Strong. Our brand name is Nature Strong. Actually, the company name is Harvester Farming. So the main motto of this company is representing the product. Like nowadays, we won't see the product which is chemical free. Everyone, they are using chemicals and preservatives for the products. Like they want to increase the life of the product. They want to like more growth of the product. Like if you want, they want to grow not only kgs, they want to grow in tons. So they are using chemicals, they are using preservatives to improve the products. So apart of this, it will affect in the like daily food, whatever they eat. जैसे कि हमको खाने के लिए chemical food मिल रहा है, तो it is not good for health. So our concept is to give the customer chemical free and natural product. So we are trying to practice in that way, that the farmers, we are having in directly contact with the farmers, so that they are practicing the natural products. Like they are not using they are not in a practice to use chemicals for their farming. So जो भी farmers होता है, वो लोग जहाँ पे उनके जो फार्मिंग करते हैं वहाँ पे केमिकल नहीं यूज कर रहे. सो वहाँ पे वो लोग को जो कांटेक्ट रहता है, हम लोग पूरा वेरीफाई करते हैं. वेरीफाई करने के बाद जब हमको फाइनली कंफर्म होता है कि दे आर नॉट यूजिंग द केमिकल्स फॉर देयर फार्मिंग, then we'll take the products from them. And moreover, we have a business partners, so they are also the family, they are a background of the farmers, so they know very well कि उनको इजीली पता चलेगा कि कैसे फार्मिंग होता है, कहाँ पे केमिकल यूज करके फार्मिंग करते हैं, कहाँ पे केमिकल फ्री फार्मिंग होता है, कैसे प्रैक्टिसिंग चलता है फार्मिंग का. तो वो लोग को अच्छे से पता है. सो दे स्टार्टेड दिस थिंग कि कस्टमर्स, दे आर जस्ट ईटिंग देयर फूड्स विदाउट थिंकिंग एनीथिंग. लाइक उनको पता नहीं है कि उसमें कितना केमिकल एडेड है, या वो ऑर्गेनिक वे में प्रोड्यूस हुआ है, कैसे है प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. दिस थिंग दे विल बी नो. ये सिर्फ फार्मर को पता होता है कि उसने कैसे ग्रो किया है. So this is the main important thing which we have. Like one of our business partner is a farmer. So he promoted this thing कि हम customer को natural product देंगे, जिसको हमें पता होगा कि like we have a confirmation कि ये बंदा हमको chemical free produce करता है. And meanwhile we also have a farm directly, our farm, हम लोग का भी खुद का farm है कंपनी का, वहां पर भी हम लोग पूरा ऑर्गेनिक वे में प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. सो दिस थिंग वी वांट टू प्रोड्यूस टू द कस्टमर. इसीलिए हमने ये प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट किया है कि डायरेक्टली फार्मर्स को प्रमोट करेंगे और कस्टमर को जो है केमिकल फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे. दिस इज द थिंग. कैन यू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज? या दिस इज अवर फार्मर. लाइक हम लोग का जो फैमिली बैकग्राउंड है, वो लोग का फार्मर्स का ये साकर एग्रोस एंड वाइकुंठपुरम. ये both are in the Hyderabad only, Telangana districts. So this both farmings, they'll fully supported with the natural products. Organic way में सब लोग provide करता है. वो लोग chemical use नहीं करते हैं वो लोग, और वो लोग का practicing ही different way में होता है, ताकि हम लोग कंपनी जो हमारा मेन मोटो है उस पे हम all products provide कर सके customers को. So these two farmers, like right now these two like farms which we are having, Sakar Agros and Vaikuntapuram farms. Can you move to next page? This is our few photos like which we are providing. Like we have our main brand like A2 Gir Cow, which will give the ghee in a totally organic way, which will be known as Bellona method. And this is the flowers like oil for oils which we use, sunflower oils and all. This is the varieties, and the chilies which we are taking from the farms. Like it is not from download from anything, like it's not a photos you can see. This is from the farm, our farm directly, how they are going to what are the things are there in the farm. Like cows which we are showing, it is a Gujarati breed. It is a desi Gujarati breed which we are having in like hundreds of quantity in our farm. And the chilies you can see and everything, whatever it is. So we just want to show like what are the things we have the same way. Can you move to next page? And come to the our main product. Our main product is A2 Girkau ghee. So this is A2 Girkau ghee is main it is very helpful. It is not like a normal desi, like a jersey. You can see jersey cow and all. This is not like a jersey cow. This is desi ghee. Most of the people are not aware of this, so we used to explain them regarding this. Like it is a Gujarati breed, it is a desi Indian breed which we are promoting, and it is having some extra energy, like boosting vitamins and all, whatever it contains. Apart from if you compare to the other cow milk ghee or any other cows, if you compare, this is the good variety which we can see. And the process each you can see in the photo, the process is totally, this is known as a Bellona method. This is totally handmade. When we pour the milk, we'll put in mud pots, मट्टी के घड़े में निकालते हैं उसको, फिर इसको बिलोना मतलब ट्रू एंड फोर हैंडमेड से ही करते हैं. देन वी यूज टू burn it on the fire and finally we used to get the ghee. This is all totally handmade, which I said you like कि हम लोग केमिकल फ्री और नेचुरल वे में प्रोडक्ट प्रोवाइड कस्टमर को करना चाहते हैं. द सेम वे विच आई हैव शोन हियर, इसी तरह से हम लोग करते हैं. पूरा जो हम कंटेनर्स जो भी यूज करते हैं वो भी पूरा मट्टी का कंटेनर है फॉर घी, स्पेशली फॉर घी. द कंटेनर विच वी आर यूजिंग, वी आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी स्टील वेजल्स. कौन सा भी स्टील का सामान नहीं यूज करते हैं इसको बनाने के लिए. मट्टी का घड़ा यूज करते हैं, उसको हम प्रिजर्व करते हैं. देन वी यूज टू डू दी टू एंड फ्रो मोशंस फॉर हैंडमेड करते हैं वो भी. फिर उसके बाद उसको बर्न करते हैं. देन इट यूज टू प्रोड्यूस टू द फाइनली A2 गिरकाऊ घी. Can you go to next page? Yeah, desi ghee. We have one more ghee, like desi buffalo, which everyone knows like that. So why? Because means there is a lot of difference in cow ghee and buffalo ghee. Most of the people prefer buffalo ghee, so we have the same not, we don't want to upset the customer. That's why we have taken the buffaloes also. So same in the same process, the buffalo ghee also we provided, and we have one more product like wild honey. It is also from this is the wild honey is the from the wild Adilabad wild forest. This is a very healthy product which we have. All the products which we are providing, it's totally healthy products. It's not like which contain sugar, like that products we won't have. So जो भी products रहेगा बिल्कुल healthy products रहेगा. It's not like normally rice ऐसा वगैरह कुछ हम लोग नहीं देते. Rice, sugar, ये variety type हम लोग नहीं देते. जैसे हम लोग के पास अगर sugar चाहिए तो sugar के बजाय में हम लोग we have the jaggery powders which you can use it. And in rice you can get brown rice, red rice, Nuara rice. These type of products we are providing to the customers. Can you go to next page? So come to the stores. This is our main branch, like at Sanat Nagar Industrial Estate. We have a three floor of our building. So in the down we have a big store that is like factory outlet. You can tell directly we will provide the customers here. And in first floor we are having the office, and in second floor we have a packaging team. We have whatever the products we are getting, we will have a packaging team in the third floor. So they used to package everything and all with the safe and with all the safety measures and all. Can you move to next page? This is our other branches, like we have the other branches like kiosk also. We have kiosk in Naketpalli. We have 2 kiosks, and Banjara Hills, Madhapur. I think it's an old image of Madhapur, but if you can see now, it's a very good store. How we presented in it. Right now, I don't have the updated images so that I can show in it. It's superb. The view and presentation of the store also, it's very important. So that's why how we presented, it's very superb. In the next, I like to provide in the next seminar whenever I got the opportunity for this. Definitely, I'll show in that. And in metro, we have a metro here at Meerpet metro station. So in that also, we have already started our store. Both the stores in next seminar, definitely I'll show the images, because right now I think it's old images. So we have updated one. I think from last 2 months we got the franchise 2%. So we have started there, and it's going on very well. I'll show the images also. It's very superb. Interior work is very good, and the presentation of providing the products, it's very high quality of things. And apart from this stores, we have online business, Amazon and Flipkart. And we have our own website, naturestrong.com. These 3 websites we are getting to sell each and every product. And the same thing which we have giving the discounts and everything, you can have a look on our website, and you can check with the Amazon and Flipkart meanwhile. These are a few of our main products like A2 Girkav ghee, wild honey, wood pressed oils. Wood pressed oils, in the sense I didn't explain regarding this. Wood pressed oils is the main we have, like I shown you in the above images, sunflower and all everything. So it is old process like which we used to provide in ancient times. Like a cow will be tied with a wooden vessel, and it will be round. It will be circulated round and round with a slow motion. With that pressure, the oil consumes. So the same way now we are producing, but we are not using the cow, but but it is using by the machine. But the way so the speed which will get the speed, it will be very slow. उनका जो frequency रहेगा बहुत slow amps में frequency रहेगा, that कि वो उस heat, that it should not create the heat. So that if it create the heats, then again जो उसमें जो minerals रहेंगे, जो भी उसका energy boosting points रहेगा, वो उसका low हो जाएगा. So it will go to the same frequency में वो move होगा, so that it can provide a best quality of oil. And the jaggery blocks and powder which we have, this is from the sugar cane. That is also from our farm directly. We'll get it, and we'll whatever the process is there, we will get it from our farm only. Dry fruits and nuts, we will get it from the suppliers which we have best deal, and which we can like less chemicals, which we can trust them. Then only we can ask. Then only we'll ask to them to get it done. And dairy products, nowadays we have dairy products like 2-3 new products we have, like malai milk we have given to the customers, like A2 Girkav only, A2 Girkav malai milk and badam milk. These 2 varieties which we have newly bought it up. And curd also, previously we don't have this curd and malai milk, so now we started, because the customer flow we are looking for, and customer is asking to us like we need more this dairy products. So we started, first of all we only give the milk and ghee. So now we started with the curd, now we started with the paneer, now we started with the malai milk with A2 Girkav, and badam milk with buffalo milk. These all few varieties which we have gone with the new products. Yes. So our main motto is the preservative, like plenty of like quality based product. We are not using just we are our main motto, like to give good quality and less chemical, and no preservatives should be added. So our product is not like for the lifespan like 4 years, 2 years, 3 years. It will be, the lifespan will be in 6 months or 12 months maximum. max to max. That is the way which we are providing, because we are not using the preservatives, we are not using any chemicals. So because of that, we can due to that, we are not able to expand the lifespan. So every product will be in a lifespan of 0 to 6 2 to 6 months or 6 to 12 months. That is the way which we are providing to the customers. लाइक उसमें केमिकल नहीं होगा तो जल्दी स्पॉइल हो जाएगा, सो इसलिए उसका लाइफ स्पैन बहुत कम होता है। और कस्टमर को भी हम लोग ये चीज का एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, दे लास्ट डेफिनेटली कि उसका क्वालिटी क्या है, इतना लाइफ स्पैन इतना कम क्यों है करके। दैट इज द वे, लाइक अगर नेचुरल ऑर्गेनिक चाहिए तो लाइफ स्पैन बिल्कुल कम रहेगा। इट विल अफेक्ट टू the chemicals which we are not using, that will affect that it will get spoiled inside in the packaging things. So ये चीज हम उसको कस्टमर को क्लियर करते हैं कि इसी तरह हम लोग मतलब बेस्ट क्वालिटी रहेगा और केमिकल फ्री रहेगा। सो दैट इज द वे वी आर नॉट गिविंग लाइफ स्पैन, बिग लाइफ स्पैन, and it will be used in a short time period. This is our business module. We have 3 modules we have started yet. So in this like model 1, model 2, model 3, in that we have 6.3 to 13.6 lakhs of investments. We have like minimum we have 6.3 lakhs to maximum 13.6 lakh, depends on the area. Like if it is the store capacity like 200 SFT or 400 SFT, depends on that. We have separated the moderate rentals and the franchise fee, and what are the investment will get the product, and finally the franchisee will get the product margin of around 25 to 26.7, like which I shown here. The product margin they'll get definitely for that up to 26%, and the average payback which we have given is 8 to 9 months. They'll get an average payback. Agreement and up to agreement terms, it is like 5 years of agreement, depends on the our conversation. Meanwhile, whatever the discussion will be done, depends on that, we can prepare the agreement and all. So the maximum is 13.6. We have assumed like a franchise to set up a setup cost. So that is the thing, that's all about our company. So if anyone asks any question.
Sure. Thank you, Amir. Thank you for the detailed presentation. Anshul, you have some financial details with you if you want to run through in detail the financials.
So we have what Amir has already presented in the presentation itself.
Yeah.
So Amir, we can go into little detail on the financial model. Would you like to go into little more detail?
Yeah, sure, no problem. In details, in the sense like if you want to.
मतलब क्या सेल्स हम प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, क्या सेल्स हम कर रहे हैं, क्या मॉडल्स हमारे हैं, थोड़ा सा आप अगर डिटेल में समझाएंगे कि इन्वेस्टर्स
राइट
को।
नाउ हाँ राइट नाउ हम लोग का जो कियोस्क मॉडल है, लाइक कियोस्क
जी
कियोस्क इन द सेंस इट विल बी लाइक 6 by 6 का कियोस्क भी हम लोग प्रेजेंट किए, लाइक इट इज ऑन आउटस्कर्ट्स में हम लोग कियोस्क प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। क्यों? वहाँ पे लाइक फैमिलीज नहीं रहते हैं, तो वहाँ पे जस्ट मूवमेंट रहेगा, जस्ट लाइक ट्रैवलिंग पीपल। सो देयर वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग लाइक सीट्स एंड ऑल। तो वहाँ पे हम लोग का एवरेज सेल रहेगा अराउंड 3 lakhs just for the kiosk.
Okay.
And the stores which we have, the biggest store in our main office, there we are getting around 6 lakhs of monthly sale.
और ये कितना बड़ा स्टोर होगा? कियोस्क कितना साइज है? कियोस्क is only about small 200
Kiosk
square feet
is about
size.
No, not 200 square feet. It's just like how I can say 10 by 10 feet, like just a small, which I shown you in the first picture.
About 100 square feet. 100 square feet कियोस्क होगा, जिसका सेल्स हम प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं 3 लाख रुपीस का। ओके, इसमें हम क्या क्या कैटेगरीज रखेंगे कियोस्क के अंदर?
इसमें हम ड्राई फ्रूट्स रख रहे हैं, ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड आवर डेयरी प्रोडक्ट लाइक घी हनी, द मेन प्रोडक्ट घी हनी, डेफिनेटली इट विल बी देयर, एंड द ड्राई फ्रूट्स।
सो ड्राई फ्रूट्स रख रहे हैं और डेयरी प्रोडक्ट रख रहे हैं, जिसके अंदर डेयरी के अंदर हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ लॉन्ग शेल्फ लाइफ प्रोडक्ट रख रहे हैं, जैसे घी हो गया और बाकी
घी हो गया,
और क्या क्या डेयरी में होगा? अच्छा, हनी,
जैगरी पाउडर्स
ओके,
है हम लोग का,
जैगरी पाउडर है,
जैगरी पाउडर और टर्मरिक चिल्लीज, ये भी जो हमारा डायरेक्टली हमारा खुद का फार्म से आता है, टर्मरिक पाउडर एंड चिली पाउडर, इट विल बी प्रिजर्व्ड इन ग्लास जार्स, सो वो भी हम लोग वहाँ पे प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं।
कितने SKU होंगे जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ कियोस्क में होंगे? कितने SKUs हैं, मतलब कितने डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स
SKU
होंगे?
इन द सेंस वहाँ पे रहेगा एक अराउंड 90 to 100 कियोस्क में रहेगा, ओनली इन कियोस्क 90 to 100।
90 to 100,
या
सो 90 to 100 कियोस्क प्रोडक्ट्स हैं। इसको हम कियोस्क की तरह कर सकते हैं, और ये हम ये शॉपिंग शॉप भी कर सकते हैं। किसी के पास कोई ऑलरेडी शॉप हो तो अगर उसके अंदर वो शॉपिंग शॉप करना चाहे, ये भी ऑप्शन है।
I didn't get, sorry, I didn't get in the sense,
मतलब कभी कभी क्या होता है, लोगों के पास बड़ा स्टोर होता है किसी चीज का, तो उसके अंदर
right,
वो शॉपिंग शॉप करना चाहें तो वो भी कर सकते हैं।
शॉप एंड शॉप,
एग्जिस्टिंग शॉप के अंदर कोई, मतलब जैसे मेरे पास अगर 2000 स्क्वायर
हाँ
फीट
हाँ
है और
हाँ,
मैं, इफ आई कैन पुट
okay
100
okay
स्क्वायर
okay,
फीट ओनली फॉर यू।
right, yeah, we can do, it's not a worry, because we are putting our brand, we are not giving the other separate thing like आपके पास मेरा प्रोडक्ट रखो करके हम लोग वैसा नहीं दे रहे हैं, we'll show our branding totally।
Correct. So, friends, there is opportunity of doing a small kiosk. You need 100 square feet to keep there
Yeah,
about
yeah,
100 odd SKUs, and you can even do a shop in shop if you have a
yeah,
larger format store available and you have a place. A
right,
lot of people are
like
coming
no,
to us these
right,
days.
as your point you said, like we tried for the same thing in the shopping malls for last month, but because of this COVID the shopping malls are closed, so that's why we have delayed it। ये अभी नहीं, थोड़ा टाइम के बाद स्टार्ट
शॉपिंग
करेंगे
मॉल्स में कर
शॉपिंग
सकते
मॉल्स।
हैं, या बड़े सुपरमार्केट्स हैं, या बड़े डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर,
राइट
स्पेशली
राइट
कई
राइट,
मार्केट्स के अंदर कई बड़े डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर होते हैं, फैशन का बड़ा स्टोर है या किसी और का है, तो वहां पर आप एक 100 स्क्वायर फीट
राइट
का
राइट,
अलग एक एरिया निकाल सकते हैं जहां पर हाई, और या ऐसी
या
कोई
राइट,
जगह है जहां पर आपके पास हाई फुटफॉल जगह है, then you can really have this kind of a store available. Now let's get into the
राइट
next
राइट,
format. Next format कौन सा है? The
नेक्स्ट
store
हम
का
लोग
format.
का स्टोर फॉर्मेट होगा जो
जी
400 SFT में रहेगा। वहाँ पे
जी
आपको ऑलमोस्ट SKUs मिलेगा, 300 SKUs मिलेगा। देयर विल बी डिफरेंट प्लेंटी ऑफ वैरायटीज, लाइक हम लोग के पास मिलेट्स में ही 10 वैरायटीज रहेगा, 9 to 8 to 10 वैरायटीज मिलेट्स में रहेगा, लाइक मिलेट्स इन द सेंस। और उसमें मिलेट्स में हम लोग मिलेट फ्लेक्स भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, मिलेट फ्लेक्स, सो उसका एक 5-6 वैरायटीज रहेगा। एंड अगेन विल गो टू द राइस, like we are having brown rice, black rice and red rice, these all varieties we have। so इसमें जैसे जैसे हम लोग एक like नॉर्मल प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिलेगा हम लोग को, जो डिफरेंट कस्टमर like it will be totally organic and totally different product which is used for the high immunity boosting और अपना एनर्जी बूस्टिंग के लिए, और हेल्थ जो भी हेल्थ कॉन्शियस रहेगा डेफिनेटली दे विल कम टू आवर स्टोर, एंड इट इज ऑल प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट।
सो जो स्टोर के अंदर 300 प्लस SKU रहेंगे, लेकिन इसमें सारे के सारे जो स्टेपल्स हैं वो भी ऐड हो जाएंगे, जिसमें सारे के सारे मिलेट्स हैं, राइस ऑप्शंस हैं, दे ऑल वुड बी एडेड, सो व्हिच क्रिएट्स अ मच मोर फास्टर फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ पीपल बाइंग।
राइट राइट राइट
क्योंकि जो
राइट
बाकी
राइट,
प्रोडक्ट हैं उसका साइकिल जो होता है वो मंथली वंस है, लेकिन जैसे ही आप राइस इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं या मिलेट्स इंट्रोड्यूस
राइट
करते हैं तो आपका जो बाइंग साइकिल है वो वीकली या 2 वीकली हो जाता है, तो इट
राइट
वुड गेट मोर फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ
राइट
पीपल
राइट
कमिंग इन। दे हैव
राइट
300 SKUs which needs to be done। और इसकी हम सेल्स क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर पाएंगे? इसकी स्टोर की सेल्स हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर
अभी
पाएंगे?
प्रेजेंट एवरेज सेल मैंने जो दो स्टोर्स बताया आपको कि माधापुर में मैंने स्टार्ट किया है लास्ट 2 मंथ से, इट इज
जी
गोइंग प्लस 6 lakhs,
6 लाख रुपीज,
या
ये
प्लस
बहुत
6
बड़ी
lakhs
ऑप्शन है।
मंथली।
6 लाख रुपीज के अंदर आप रिटेल शोरूम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अब
राइट
बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी इमर्ज कर रही है आजकल, स्पेशली जिसे डायरेक्ट टू होम कहते हैं। अगर मैं
राइट,
आपके पास एज ए सब्सक्राइबर आया और मैंने मिलेट्स लिए या मैंने रेड राइस लिया या कुछ और लिया या मैं कंज्यूम करता हूँ, तो आप हर महीने कस्टमर वही चीजें कंज्यूम दोबारा दोबारा करता है, तो आप उसका
राइट
मंथली
राइट
डायरेक्ट टू होम सब्सक्रिप्शन बना सकते हैं कि एक फैमिली 3000
राइट,
रुपए का प्रोडक्ट लेती है, फ्रॉम you know A to घी to this to honey to
या
millets
या
to entire thing, so एक
राइट राइट
फैमिली का पूरा बाइंग साइकिल बन जाता है। तो ये बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बहुत
राइट
बड़ी इमरजेंस निकल रही है जिसे हम डायरेक्ट टू होम बिजनेस कहते हैं,
राइट,
और ये इसी रिटेल स्टोर से
या
हो सकता है। तो 30 to 40% ऑफ बिजनेस आपका डायरेक्ट टू होम
करेक्ट,
बन जाएगा, और बाकी रिटेल होगा कि कस्टमर जो आएगा वो करेगा। और इनकरेज करना चाहिए हर रिटेलर को कि प्रोडक्ट को आप कर सकें, क्योंकि ये
राइट राइट,
प्रोडक्ट सब के सब इनका अपना प्रोड्यूस है, तो कहीं और मिलेगा
या
नहीं, तो देयर इज अ स्टिकीनेस ऑफ कस्टमर to come and only take that product, because once they start liking the quality, they would only come to them.
Right. Right. The same thing which you said for the subscription. We also, like last few days we have planned for the subscription card. Like we would like to एक card ऐसे provide करेंगे जैसे ATM card जैसे होता है हम लोग का, वैसे एक subscription card होगा जैसे जो customers के पास रहेगा. When they will recharge it, what the benefit for the card is, like they have to recharge the minimum amount of 5,000 like that, and if they recharge with that amount, like they'll get the different offers like regular customers, like sorry, not regular customers, like other customers, those who come to directly to the stores. तो वो लोग को some extra benefits रहेगा, यानी घी पे कुछ वो लोग को अगर normally हम लोग 10% discount दे रहे हैं तो उनको 15% देंगे. And if the other products like honey, if they are getting like 15%, we'll give 20% discount on that. तो वो लोग को थोड़ा सा benefit रहेगा. They'll try to get more products from us. ऐसे ही हम लोग रिसेंटली हम लोग ने प्लान किया है कि ऐसे कार्ड प्रोवाइड करेंगे, सब्सक्रिप्शन कार्ड, सो दैट दे कैन रिचार्ज एंड दे कैन परचेज फ्रॉम आवर directly from our website and we can deliver to them.
Absolutely. And the greatest time where customer shift is maximum happening. Almost every household is shifting at any level, is shifting to natural products, organic products, honest products, which means that they want to know what is coming to them. And once they start getting something which is honest, they want to become a subscriber and they would like to contribute to that. It's a very, very big business, great business. Today's webinar is a perfect opportunity for current times. हमें इतनी inquiries मिलती हैं हर रोज, लोग बोलते हैं कि आज के टाइम के हिसाब से मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दीजिए. तो ये जो आज अपॉर्चुनिटी हम प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, ये परफेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है आपके लिए आज की डेट में ऐसा बिजनेस शुरू करने के लिए. You are always in business, no lockdowns, no structure. You can safely deliver a product to people's home, and people are already ready to only get into something which is natural and pure. And this is a category which is going to explode in India, and India might lead this. For us, it is definitely, a big opportunity. अब इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा हम प्रोडक्ट की उसमें जाएं. हमारी जो सेटअप कॉस्ट आपने बोली वो 13,60,000 है. उसमें से कितना हम स्टोर में लगाते हैं इंटीरियर में, और बाकी कितना स्टॉक होता है एट अ होलसेल प्राइस?
स्टॉक अराउंड यू विल बी गेट लाइक हमको स्टॉक कैसे भी मिनिमम एक 5 to 6 लाख का स्टॉक लगेगा.
सो आप स्टोर के अंदर ऑलमोस्ट 50% ऑफ द आई थिंक होलसेल वैल्यू पे 5 से 6 लाख रुपए का स्टॉक होगा, जिसकी एमआरपी वैल्यू जो होगी वो 8 से 9 लाख रुपए की होगी. और इसमें आपको 26% का मार्क डाउन मिलता है एज अ मार्जिन. नाउ एफएमसीजी के अंदर 26% एफएमसीजी के अंदर मार्जिन होना बहुत मुश्किल है. टिपिकली अ स्टोर लाइक दिस वुड बी एबल टू डू 2 टर्नओवर ऑफ द स्टॉक. तो हम
that's why that's that thing which I want to clear for everyone. Like I said that 26%, that is average up to 26%, because if you go to the some products like ghee and honey, you can easily get the margin, but if you go to the rice, floats, that we cannot give that much margin, because we have to look for the customers also. They don't like हम उनको ज्यादा प्राइस में नहीं बेच सकते वो items. If they want to consume, then we have to look around for the customer. Then we have to वहाँ पे हमको पीछे हटना पड़ेगा कि ये आइटम में हम इतना नहीं कर सकते हैं. जब then we have to discuss with the franchisee, जो भी हम लोग के साथ रहेंगे उनसे हम डिस्कस करके कि ये आइटम्स में हम उतना नहीं कर सकते, यहाँ पे हमको स्टेप बैक होना पड़ेगा, इतना मार्जिन नहीं, थोड़ा सा लेस मार्जिन में वहाँ पे वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा.
श्योर. तो वेटेड मार्जिन आपका क्या रहेगा?
सॉरी,
कितना वेटेड मार्जिन हो जाएगा? मतलब सबको एवरेज करेंगे तो क्या मार्जिन हो जाएगा?
एवरेज 25. डेफिनेटली आपको एवरेज 25 आएगा.
So you will not get margin in entire, not every product, but still he's saying 25% is the margin which is expected. You can even take it a little lower, because if your sale of rice and other commodities is higher, then obviously that will put a pressure on the margin side. They're taking a modest sale at this stage, which is 6 lakh rupees, which is less than even a 1 turnover of the stock. In a category like this, you can actually go out and do a 2 turnover, because they have started the stores. So there is not reached to an optimum or a peak performance. So it will take its own time and continue to rise. It's a great business. I will request a lot of people have joined in. Please go out and write in a Q&A box which city, which location you are keen. We'll also take from Amir, and Sonia can take that कि कौन से cities में किन locations पे हम अपनी supply chain कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि ये supply chain का business है. बल्कि product होते हैं, ज़्यादा दूर सप्लाई चेन नहीं हो सकती. तो I will like to now bring in Sonia to take maybe start a question with supply chain, and then we can take other questions which are coming in. Over to you, Sonia.
Thank you so much, Amit. I'll take some questions, and I see many questions coming from the audience also. And the first question obviously will be on the supply chain. You know, how is that currently structured? Which are the cities where we are looking at? Because considering typically a model which is into organic, you know, we are also seeing how you know, people are becoming health conscious. And also typically this business, I would say the supply chain, what we understand is comparatively more efficient, you know, against the conventional agriculture based businesses, because there are few intermediaries in the value chain, and there is better control on quality, cost, and also most importantly जो आपका traceability of product है वो बहुत रहता है. तो अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत बता सके on the supply chain, how are we doing that, and which are the cities that our current supply can happen?
अभी प्रेजेंटली हम लोग सिर्फ ऑल ओवर हैदराबाद में ही है. अभी हम लोग ने एक्सपैंड नहीं किया है अदर टू द लाइक अदर स्टेट्स, बट वी हैव कोऑर्डिनेटेड विद वन ऑफ द आवर लाइक एमडी का जो लाइक जो हम लोग का नोन पर्सन्स है, who are the known persons. From that one person he's supplying our product in Mumbai. So like presently we have our product supplying in Mumbai, and meanwhile we have in Andhra border side the same store which I said, like 2 kiosks we have in Andhra border side, and we are looking for to move forward with other states also, but right now we have the stores around 7 stores which it is in Hyderabad only presently. The same way, if the franchisee he's willing to take in other states, definitely we'll help him out, and we'll look around it, like how to supply. Meanwhile everything will be sorted out, like based on our discussions, whatever they want, how we can supply. Depends on like situation, like what we can supply, at what time we can do anything, how we can help them, and what support from them we get, like that we can work out.
I'll take some cities. I see some cities being questioned from the audience, and I'll take also 1 minute to show maybe the categories that you have on the website and the product mix. If you want to maybe elaborate on that, because I see many of them asking on the pricing also, and compared to the other competition, especially in the organic side, you know, how our product is placed. So I'll take, yeah. So here we are, friends. So this is the website of the company Nature's Trunk, and on the left hand side you can see all the categories which the company is dealing in.
Right.
And which is quite exhaustive. And also on the screen you can find the average pricing of products. Well, there are a lot of products and SKUs we can find, but I think this can give you maybe a quite understanding on overall category mix and average pricing. So कुछ अमित जी आपको जिसमें ऐड करना चाहेंगे, प्राइसिंग हमारा रेंज एंड कंपटीशन से हम कितने कम या ज्यादा हैं?
This is the pricing which you are saying, that is all online sale pricing rahega. That will be like delivery charges and all that different, what are the background expenses will be added. But the thing which we are selling to in store, the price will be little different, and the discount rate will be different. So moreover we'll grab the customers on our store only, जहाँ पे हम store पे ही ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा customers को grab कर सकते हैं online से ज़्यादा.
बच्चे इसमें अगर कोई भी सेल आपकी ऑनलाइन होती है और हमारा स्टोर भी होता है इस लोकेशन में, वो आप उसकी फुलफिलमेंट करेंगे, फ्रेंचाइजी के थ्रू ही उसकी फुलफिलमेंट कराएंगे?
डिपेंड्स, बिकॉज वेबसाइट पे अगर सेल आएगा तो अगर लोकेशन जहां से भी है नियर बाय, इफ वी आर गेटिंग लोकेशन लाइक इफ वी आर पर्टिकुलर एरिया 1, that in that area we are getting online order, so we'll directly contact to that store and we'll inform that nearby store you have an order, so please get it fulfilled, so that we don't have any traveling expenses more. From there they can directly deliver.
Sure.
तो उनको भी थोड़ा सा बेनिफिट रहेगा.
Sure. And कुछ cities I'll pick up, and you know अगर आपको भी कोई cities समझ में आती है Q&A में आप भी ले सकते हैं. I'll pick some cities. So we have Gayatri ji from Visakhapatnam. She's asking for Visakhapatnam. Mr. Kishore from Chennai, Chennai के लिए पूछना चाह रहे हैं. And I also see some other cities. Kukatpalli area,
Yeah.
Imphal,
Right.
and some more cities in Hyderabad also. Some locations which I'm seeing are coming in. So are these all locations available for a partner? And agar aap
Yeah. That is all available.
is
Sure.
Imphal outside South, are we considering any partnership at this point in time?
Yes. As I said you before, like definitely we'll expand our business with other states also. And the area which you have said me just now, like in Hyderabad, it is Kukatpalli.
Right.
कुकटपल्ली में भी हम लोग ने एरिया सेलेक्ट किया है, मतलब स्टोर्स देखा है वहां पर भी है सराउंडिंग्स में, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड इश्यूज वी आर नॉट एबल टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. ऐसे हो रहा है, नहीं तो अभी तक कुकटपल्ली में भी हम लोग स्टोर रेडी हो गया था अभी तक. जैसे हमने माधापुर में रेडी किया है, हमने बंजारा हिल्स में रेडी किया है, हमने अमीरपेट मेट्रो स्टेशन में. दिस आर 2 क्राउडेड एरियाज, हाई रेंटल एरियाज, और बहुत ही मतलब क्वालिटी पीपल आता है वहाँ. दे विल प्रेफर आवर प्रोडक्ट. वी आर लुकिंग जस्ट, हम लोग ऐसे ही स्टोर ओपन नहीं करते रहे. वी विल थिंक लाइक कस्टमर, वहाँ का कस्टमर कैसे होता है, वहाँ का क्राउड कैसे है, व्हाट दे प्रेफर.
एंड क्योंकि आपके ऑनलाइन डिमांड भी आती है स्पेशली इन हैदराबाद, तो वो भी आप इंटेलिजेंस डेटा की अपने पार्टनर्स को, प्रोस्पेक्टिव पार्टनर्स को दे सकते हैं. दूसरा क्वेश्चन जो मैं देख रही हूँ व्हिच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम सम ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर्स इज ऑन द क्रेडिट पीरियड. जो आप एक फ्रेंचाइज पार्टनर को क्रेडिट पीरियड देते हैं, टर्म्स देते हैं, वो उसका क्या हमारा अरेंजमेंट रहता है? Is it made upfront? Is being asked by a few of them. I think Samira ji is asking on that. We have Mr. Satya Kumar also asking. And
credit period in the sense, I didn't get
credit period. Is there any credit period that you provide to franchise partners? Is one of the questions. And दूसरा question जो मैं साथ में लूँगी is also on any kind of non-moving stocks or return policy. If there's any policy guidelines which we can share with our partners.
So if you are asking about credit period, like last business depends on last, like whatever I have faced with that, depends on that. I'll tell you, I'll share the things. Like last 2 stores, what I have given, what we have given is like we have given them like 60 to 90 days of time, so that they can check how it work out. Then they can get the store totally, like whatever the investment they have done, they can started with that. Like we both started with that, with 50% of our investment and 50% of that their investment. And after 60 to 90 days, if they are willing, they are ready to take all the store and they give us the return back the investment. So like that we have started. It depends on our discussions, like what we want to satisfy them, like what they want, we'll go with them. It's all feasibility. Like if you're willing to do like that in a way of A, then we are going with the A. If they want to go with the B, then we will go with the B. That we want to give flexibility for that.
And इसमें हमारा जो आपका कोई भी, I think I will also add, expired अगर कोई item है या non-moving है, तो that replacement is available, including damaged product.
Yes, definitely. Why? Because this is organic product. We won't use chemicals, preservatives. Definitely, it will get like जल्दी उसको move करना पड़ेगा या नहीं, तो उसको फिर से रिसाइकलिंग इन द सेंस उसको वापस लेकर आएंगे हम लोग, चेक करेंगे. जो प्रोडक्शन जो पैकिंग टीम रहता है वो पूरा चेक करता है, फिर उसको क्लीन करता है, फिर वापस से उसको अगर इट इज लाइक इफ इट इज वर्थेबल, लाइक इसको वापस भेज सकते हैं. द टेस्टिंग विल बी चेक एंड क्वालिटी टीम विल चेक. like if we can again pack it, then only we'll pack, or else वो चला जाएगा फिर directly it will go to the farm return. That is the benefit we have, because these farms, most of the farms, we have our own farms, so it won't be a problem to us to take it return. Till now, if the customers also, if they are returning, we will explain them first, sir, because of this organic product we won't use the chemical preservatives, so it will get something problem inside. It's not an issue. We'll take it return and we'll give the exchange with the new product and we'll give them. It's not an issue.
Sure. And Amir ji, any locations जो आप priority पे आपको लगता है हैदराबाद में available है? जैसे आपने बताया जो आपकी current locations है, काफी captive audience है, locations हैं.
Right.
तो ऐसी कोई ऐसी locations हैं जहाँ पे आपका already locations shortlisted हैं या हमारी property shortlisted है, और जो हम अपने audience को अगर बताना चाहें कौन सी locations पे हम कर सकते हैं?
The first location which I prefer is Kukatpalli and near Parade Ground. It's near Secunderabad Parade Ground. And Madinaguda and Jubilee Hills. These are few locations in Hyderabad which we have sorted out. If it is like if flexible with the franchisee, definitely move on with the fast. Immediately हम लोग proceed कर सकते हैं.
Ajay, one more question which I'll take is on maybe the launch or the marketing. This is one important aspect for any new store which opens up. So, what is the support which maybe a prospective partner can expect at the time of launch or ongoing? And if you can also give some guidelines on what is expected in terms of marketing from a partner himself.
Yeah. Marketing in the sense, first marketing will be done from our side. Like for opening, whatever the marketing expenses, whatever the advertisement, whatever has to be done, that will be done from our side. But after that, after starting business, that has to be depends on agreement. Whatever will have the agreement, like depends on that कि आपको हम कितना शेयर करना पड़ेगा marketing advertisement के लिए और हमको कितना शेयर पड़ेगा. Depends on that agreement. From starting first on time, like जैसे investment होगा, first time investment, that will take care for the marketing and all.
Sure. Actually, I think there's one of the comment. I'll maybe read that out from Mr. Kishore.
Yeah.
He's asking, rather he's saying it's a wonderful proposal how you have worked with your partners by co-investing, and that gives a big confidence to a prospective franchisee to invest in a new venture like yours. And friends, I will again request if you have any specific locations where you're looking for, and while we have taken a note of all the cities where you have asked, and I will also request Amir Ali ji to come back on maybe one of the days which we have maybe decided, where we can arrange a call or a Zoom meeting with him, and you can clarify any doubts that you might have, and including the potential locations which currently might be available is also something we can discuss with our prospective investors. And
Sure.
Amir ji, before we close, कोई message आप हमारे audience को देना चाहते हैं?
Message I want to give, like the business concept जो है हम लोग का business concept is very superb concept. Like nowadays it will grow. अभी हम लोग का growing company है, it will definitely grow high because the concept which we are using, the people definitely like. अभी जो health conscious people है, they are starting up with this concept कि वो लोग आ रहे हैं, वो लोग check कर रहे हैं. Then again it will go to the normal people and definitely it will grow high. आप देख सकते हो ये बिजनेस मतलब जो कॉन्सेप्ट है मेन नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स का, पीपल आर लाइक वो लोग को क्रेज हो रहा है कि ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट चाहिए इवन दो इन ओल्ड एज. अभी जो कोविड का इश्यूज चल रहा है उसमें भी बहुत सारा आइटम हम लोग के पास ऐसा है, इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट्स है, यू कैन चेक. और उसमें विदाउट केमिकल्स, लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ स्पेशल केमिकल्स यूज किया हुआ है, मेडिसिन टाइप है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. यू कैन सी लाइक ऑर्गेनिक रहेगा, बिल्कुल देसी प्रोडक्ट रहेगा. So definitely if you look around all the products, definitely you will get interest कि हाँ ये products हम लगा सकते हैं, वैसा products हमारा store में है.
Great. Thank you so much, Amir ji. And Archana, can we confirm any date that we have decided? अगर हम announce करना चाहते हैं कोई ऐसा date to the audience, or we can.
Yeah, we can fix Wednesday, but we need to confirm from Manmohan ji. But we can block Wednesday and we'll arrange calls with Amir ji.
Sure.
So friends, we'll also put a hotline number in the chat box. आप इस number पे आप reach out आप कर सकते हैं, which is already done. But I'll put that again in case anybody has joined it and has missed on that. I will also put an email ID where you can write to us. And the next week, which is Wednesday, we'll try and align the meeting. In case you have any other date preference, our teams can reach out to you and you can inform us. And we'll also have our teams speak to everybody who's asked questions and connect with Mr. Amir to take also his availability and time. And I'd like to thank all of you for being with us. And before I close, we'll also request Mr. Maria to give his closing remarks.
Thank you. So this is a great opportunity. It's a great opportunity, great timing. You know, it is out of the request we are getting from a lot of people who don't want to really invest in the opportunities which are not looking at this stage relevant. So it's a very relevant opportunity and it is a very interesting opportunity for you to invest on that. Pick up your cities, locations, especially in Hyderabad. Some of the locations are very, very interesting, and they are very willing to participate with you and co-invest with you. So it's a good opportunity. Apply for, if you are interested in taking the discussions up, reach out to our WhatsApp business hotline number, and we will organize your one-on-one meeting on the coming Discovery Day. We also launching a special initiative which starts on 15th of this month to 31st of May. This is what I call the Mega IFM, where we are inviting genuinely interested investors to take an opportunity to speak to one brand every single day, where you will go to brands which are relevant. And these all brands are handpicked by us, which are very, very relevant for current markets. Opportunities which we feel not only would do well now, but will continue to do well in next 4 to 5 years. And also we've taken opportunities which have some kind of very, so to say, hedging on the risk, because a lot of people don't want to put some risk on the entire thing. If you want to enroll yourself in the Mega IFM program, and you be part of that regular attendance of attending these meetings, which are tri-party, you directly talk to the brand, and some of our consultants would just facilitate that piece for you. So also reach out on this business hotline number, WhatsApp, and say, I want to be part of a Mega IFM, and we will make sure that you are invited every single day. This is unheard. You cannot get an opportunity like this, where easily sitting at home or wherever you are, you can actually use those 15 days to talk to 15 different companies and take that opportunity and selecting what is right for you. So don't miss this opportunity. Apply for becoming a part of a Mega IFM. So thank you very much. Thanks for your time today. I'll pass it back to Archana to say our thanking note, and also talk about the next webinars which are coming in, if you want to really come and join on that. Thank you very much.
So thank you so much, Amir, for joining in today. We wish great health for you.
Okay.
Stay safe. Thank you so much, Gaurav sir. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am.
Thank you.
We want to thank our dear participants who have joined us today for this great opportunity. Do write to us at our business hotline number, which is 97176838838. We request each one of you to save this number in your phone book so that you get a regular business updates from our side through broadcast messages. You can also connect with us at different social handles. We are available at different social handles platforms. Do connect with us at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited, because we have the entire library of all the previously done webinars, different submits, so that you get a business updates as well as recordings from there. Do share your suggestions and feedback with us. Also connect Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs. And every day we invite and welcome each one of you to join us for our 30 days, 30 cities show, which starts sharp at 7 p.m. Today, we are inviting you to join us for Bareilly chapter, where again, our objective is to bring the top 5 business opportunities for you. Brands representatives would come and will present their business ideas for you. So at the same business hotline number, you can do registration for 7 p.m. show. And tomorrow, under Business Opportunity Over Webinar series, we are inviting you to join us for FRE Fitness. That's the brand we are bringing for you, where the team would come and digitally represent their business idea. So for both the shows, today at 7 p.m. Bareilly show and tomorrow 12 p.m. show, please do registration so that you can join us at the respective time. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a great day ahead. Have a safe day ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you, Amir. Bye. Take care.
Bye-bye. Take care.